Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today is a pretty exciting day because I finally have something I've been waiting to get my hands on. Right here in front of me, we have the brand new Insta360 Luna Ultra. Now, if you've been following the channel, you know I love trying out new cameras and seeing what they can actually do. But today, we're going to keep things a little different. This video is going to be all about the unboxing and my first impression. Alright, so here we go. This is the box, and honestly, before I even open it, I just want to take a second to look at the packaging. I don't know what it is, but there's always something exciting about having a brand new camera sitting in front of you. And I always like seeing how companies present their products. Everything feels pretty clean and minimal. So let's go ahead and get this open. I'm trying not to destroy the box here because I know some of you guys like keeping the original packaging. Alright, let's do it. Oh, there it is. That is the Luna Ultra. Wow. Okay, seeing this in person is actually pretty cool. You can look at pictures only all day, but it's completely different when you're actually holding the camera in your hands. First impression, it feels really nice. The design is definitely different from your typical camera. Alright, let's put the camera down for a second and see what else we got. We've got this section here. Let's pull this out. So, that is my first look at the Insta360 Luna Ultra. The unboxing is officially done. Everything is out of the box. I've had a chance to hold the camera, turn it on, play around with it a little, and honestly, I'm excited. But we're not done yet. The next video is where things are going to get interesting. I'm taking this camera outside and we're actually going to shoot with it. I'm going to test it in different situations and give you guys a much better idea of what the Luna Ultra is really capable of. So if you want to see that video, make sure you subscribe and turn on notification so you don't miss it. And let me know down in the comments what you want me to test first. Do you want to see the camera moving? Do you want to see how it performs in different lighting? Or do you just want to see some straight up sample footage? Let me know. But for now, thank you guys for watching. This has been my unboxing and first look at the Insta360 Luna Ultra. And I think it's time we take this thing outside. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.